Welcome everyone to UTA Planetarium's weekly night sky. My name is Jim and I will be your guide to the sky this week. This is the first in a series of videos we have planned to roll out every Friday. These videos are designed to help you identify and see what is up at night in the sky. Please feel free to follow along with the real sky, or if that's not an option, you can download an application similar to the one we are using to make this video. I can recommend Stellarium as a great place to start. Stellarium is a free and open source software that is available for both computers and mobile devices. So whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or cell phone, you can still follow along. Look for the link in the description. For our first weekly night sky, let's cover some of the most important and basic things to find above our heads at night. Now, here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we have quite a lot of lights on at night, and this can make seeing the stars pretty difficult. So our software is going to help simulate what our sky would actually look like. This means if you can see it here in the video, chances are very good that you should be able to see it yourself. This also means that if you're having a tough time seeing something in the video, you're likely going to struggle with it in your backyard. Now, no stargazing would be complete without first showing you how to find which direction you are looking. We're going to start with what is likely the most well-known group of stars in the night sky, the Big Dipper. Using a smartphone to cheat and point you north first, or if you'd like to do some searching, here is what you would see looking north towards the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper holds 7 of some of the brighter stars in the sky, and it stands out quite a bit in the evenings from February through September. This is what it should look like around March 27th at 9 p.m. here in DFW. The Big Dipper is a great place to start when learning the night sky. Not just because it's an easy group of stars to find and a really popular pattern, but because this group of stars is the key to finding which direction we are looking. We can do some star hopping and use the 2 stars here on the end of the cup of the dipper. If we imagine a line and follow it as if it were pouring out of the spoon, it will point us to this star. While it may appear to be a normal looking star, this is our North Star, or as it's formerly referred to, Polaris. Despite popular belief, the North Star is not a very bright star. It's very important though. It's important because it's the only star that doesn't appear to move throughout the year, or for that matter, throughout the night. As we continue these videos, you'll see constellations come into view and others disappear. But the North Star will be up in every video. If you can find this star, you know which direction north is. And from there, you can find all the others. Now, there is one more piece of this talk that is usually grouped when talking about the Big Dipper. If there is a Big Dipper, then there must be a Small Dipper. And there is. So often, you hear that after making that line from the Big Dipper and finding the North Star, we point out that the North Star is in the Little Dipper. This is true. However, you might notice that there's no Little Dipper visible in this video. And that's because we cannot see the Little Dipper in our backyards. Not because it isn't up, but because most of the stars in the Little Dipper are very dim. So here's what it would look like if you could see it. And here is what the same sky might look like with much less light pollution. Once you can find the Big Dipper and the North Star in your own backyard, you are well on your way to being a great navigator and a great amateur astronomer. We hope you enjoyed our first installment of the Weekly Night Sky. Check back every Friday for more. Until then, UTA Planetarium wishes you clear skies.